Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a C++ project on the topic Supermarket Management System. So let's see the requirements of this project. First, we require an IDE for running and compiling the source code. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, through which you can basically write, execute and compile your code. Then we require a text editor where we are supposed to write our code. You may use any text editor, but the recommended ones are Code Blocks or VS Code. Here I have used VS Code because it provides pretty much tools and functionalities through which I can do certain things, like it provides a good environment, a good writing environment, you can say. And then an operating system will be required. Again, you may use any operating system as per your choice, but I have used here Windows 10 operating system. Then the library used here, basically library stands for a group or a collection through which you can use certain modules in your project. But here we have not used any certain external libraries. Whatever we have functionalities we have implemented, it is already present in the inbuilt libraries. Then we have certain header files. We will see what does this header files basically do while we'll be explaining you the code. So the header files used are iostream, cstring, string, fstream, conio.h and io_main_ip. So now let's move to the code part and let's see what the code has in for us. Here we are. This is the supermarket management code which I have already written for you. Now I'll be explaining you line by line. Then what we'll do is we are going to run it and we are going to check all the functionalities. So let's start. First, we have included all the header files as I have mentioned in the PPT. The fstream, conio.h, string.h, io_main_ip and iostream. Let's see what does this do. So further, when I'll be explaining you the functions, the various functions, classes, I'll be explaining you this. Now we have the standard line that is using namespace std. Then there is a class named product, under which we have certain data types declared. That is a product number, a product name array of 50 characters, like because this is a character type array. Then we have a float variable called product price, product quantity, tax and product discount. Public is an access specifier. An access specifier defines the scope in which the particular functions can be accessed. Public means it can be accessed throughout the program and it can be accessed by the various child classes of the parent class. So in the create product function, it will ask you to enter the product number, the name of the product, the price of the product and the discount which you are going to offer. In show product, the product ID, name, price and discount will be displayed to you. Then there is a get product function which will return the product number, that is the product ID. In get price, the product price will be returned. In get name, the product name will be returned. And in get discount, the product's discount will be returned to the original function. These are basically the called functions. Then we have the file handling one, upstream fp and product. We have the name product. Then what we are going to do, we are going to have a save product function where we are going to open the file database.dat, in which all the functionalities or whatever the transactions, the functions, the properties, what we are going to enter and what it is going to show it to us, it is going to be done through the file part. This is basically a very systematic way of displaying and storing your data, because if you're going to enter the data into the program, then it quite may be lost. But if you get that data stored into a file, then you can extract data or you can check for the data at the later part as well. Then if the product has been successfully created, if it has been saved in the file, it says the product has been successfully created. Then there is a show products function where the records of all the products which we have entered that gets displayed on the screen. Then we have a display record function. In case of a display record function, whatever functionalities or whatever products we have already entered, that gets displayed on the screen. If there is no such record found, it says no record found. Then edit product. Here you have to enter the product number. This is the key here. Product number, the products may be same to some extent, but the product number are always different. The id is the unique id given to the product. So basically what you are going to do is you are going to enter the product id, which is the key distinguishing factor for all the products. Then you have to enter the new details of the product and the record has been successfully updated. What do we do in the delete product function? The delete product, again you have to enter the product id. Then whatever you are going to delete, it is going to be stored in the temp.dat. So what happens there is, like, suppose you changed the product, you changed something or you deleted a certain product, but you need it in the future. Somewhat maybe you have done some transaction error and your sheet is not matching, like the profit and loss statement, you want to find it out again. So in that case you can look forward to the temp.dat and there you can make certain changes. Then a product menu. Here the product number, name and price gets displayed accordingly. Then place order. This is the function in which you want to place your order. So you have to enter the product number, the quantity, and it will ask you, do you want to order another product? If yes, then you will be going to the next product. You can order another product. If you want a single product, then good for you. It says thank you. Then the product number, name, quantity, price, amount, and amount after discount gets displayed as the invoice. This is the admin menu. In the admin menu, you can create a product, display the products, query, create a query, modify account or modify product, delete product, and go back to the main menu. So these are the basically all these 6 cases in which all these functions are going to be called. Correct? And in the default, you have to go to the admin menu again. This is your main function. So this basically makes your screen look pretty good. And we have selected the color 05, which is a purplish blue type of color. And this is your main menu where you have to log in as customer and administrator, or you have to exit. In the admin menu, we do not have any passcode. So let's see, I'll run it and I'll show it to you how does it work. Let's run. Okay, see, it's a purplish kind of color. So let's log in as a customer. So what I want is, I want to enter the product number, which is 12345. The quantity will be 1. No. So my price is 237.5 after discount. Okay. Now I want to go as an administrator. So let me create a product. My product number will be 2. Name will be, say, cookies. Cookies. Price will be 50 rupees. Discount, let's say 5% I'll give. The product has been successfully created. Now I want to display all the products. See, this is one product, this is a product. Cool. Now again I want to go to the administrator. I have to point a query. Product number is 2, so it is cookies. The product price is 50 and discount is 5. Again let's check all the functionalities to modify a product. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sunberry, so I have to change this to 1 because I don't want the ID to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Name of the product, let's keep it Sunberry only. Product price, let's keep it 250. And here I want to offer a discount of, say, 6%. So it's updated. Again, let's go. Let's see the products. See, whatever I have changed, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it has become 1. Then this was 5%. I have made it to 6. Okay. So let's go as a customer. Now I want to add the product ID. 2 quantity I need. Yes, I want. Here 1. I want 2 quantities. No. So my total price will be 565. So now let's delete a product. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete a product. I want to delete the Sunberry. So now let's check. See, the Sunberry is deleted. So I hope you understood the working of this project. For more interesting project ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you and have a great day.